Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Aruna here. Today I'm back with a new video on paper quilling. As Christmas is around the corner, so I thought let's make a Christmas card with using paper quilling techniques. Here I have different shades of paper quilling strips. However, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use 2 to 3 green strips, some red, some maroon, and some dark brown strips to make a Christmas wreath. I will also need a quilling board, which is basically a foam board with some guidance on top, a glue bottle, and an extra guidance scale. Here I am using a slotted tool, which is the main tool for paper quilling, and a tweezer to move things without damaging any section. I will also need a paper base to make the artwork on it. Here I am using a 1mm paper board, which is easily available in Walmart or Michaels. You can also use Elmer's school glue or any other PVA glue to secure the quilling strip with the paper base. So let's begin the Christmas wreath tutorial. Here I have taken some green strips to create some basic form for the wreath. When you guys will work on it, you will get to see that there are two surfaces. One is with rough surface and the another side is with smooth surface. Try to keep the rough surface inside the coil and the outer side would be with a smooth surface. So next, take your slotted tool and insert a tiny little portion from a strip and then start rolling it around the tip. Always keep it in mind to support the paper strip with your thumb or with 2 fingers. Otherwise, the coil would come out from the path. So in this way, we need to finish the entire strip with the same process. After finishing the coil, you need to pull it out carefully. Now I am going to place it on a quilling board to get my desired shape. After a few seconds, you will get to see that the strip got the exact shape where it is. Now we have to glue it from the outer section so that it doesn't come out. Now I am going to show you another 2 or 3 form with using same process. Here you can see all the forms are ready to create my wreath. I have created lots of flower petals formed to fill the entire wreath. Here I have taken a glass bowl to make a rough sketch of a circle so that I can put all the parts according to the circumference of the circle. So here is my Christmas wreath is almost ready. And now I'm going to add some adhesive tiny pearls to make it more beautiful, and it's completely optional. If you want, you can skip it anytime. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.